Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all fine and keeping safe. If you're new here, my name is Masha. I'm a YouTuber based in Nairobi, Kenya. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you for always coming back and clicking on my videos. So I'm starting you off first with the nature of the view that I enjoy every morning. Yeah? And then we'll get right into the video. So this is another day of me without a nanny, and this day I had school. It's not even on a Sunday, so I have to go to school. I have to be a mom. I have to come back and do my duties. I have to go to work. I was so exhausted on this day. My nanny had taken a 3 days off, so I just had to do what I had to do. So let me bring you on how this day started. So first I had a class from 7 to 10. Luckily Bazu didn't have to go to work early in the morning, so I left Killian sleeping, and I returned when he had just woken up and they were having breakfast. So I decided to take a nap because I'd slept I'd slept late the previous night, and I had to wake up early before 7 so that I'll prepare and go to class. And now when I returned in the house, I decided to take a nap, and then the day began. You all can see how Killian is stubborn. He was really disturbing me. Anytime that I was not in that space, he was going there. I tried to drag him out. He doesn't want to come out. So we do what you have to do. With the babies, you just don't never know what to expect. So I'm practicing gentle parenting with him, so I don't actually stress him a lot. Unless he's doing something that is not supposed to be done or anything bad, I just let him enjoy his childhood. So after making the beds, let me just show you how the house was looking like with Killian. I just slept for 1.5 an hour, and this is what I woke up to. Bazu was in the house with him when I was sleeping, and then now he had left. So Killian, this is what he had made the sitting room look like, but it was not too bad. So I decided to organize things before I start the thorough cleaning as usual, because I love my house clean. At least the sink, I'd washed the utensils before I went to sleep, so the sink was okay. But the house, no, it wasn't. So I had to do something about that. So this is later that same day around 5 p.m. As I was going for supper, I took Killian along so that he can also feel the fresh air outside, and also because there was no one to leave him in the house with. So we decided to go together. I was enjoying a mango because it is mango season, and why not? Killian is not a fan of mangoes. So I just make juice for him with the other apple mangoes, and he likes the juice more than the fruit itself, just eating it plainly. So just giving you a view of my beautiful face. Don't mind my shenanigans. Look at the sunset, bright as our futures. Yes? Tap an amen if you believe your future is bright. You ever see those people on Facebook who actually threaten you? Type amen or you're going to be sick. Type amen or you're going to die. Guys, just stop it. Don't force people to type. So I was buying liver tonight. So I had already finished buying at this point, and I was crossing the road to go back home with my baby boy. We're going to use the other route because it was less dusty than the one that we came with. The other route is paved, but the one we came with was not. So this is us inside the estate. Killian just entered the gate and started running around. I actually had a little fight with him because he didn't want to go home. See, there he's running. You can't catch him. And then he hides behind the block. So you have to look for him. But then went to the house. This is me preparing the liver. I put in all the onions, garlic, ginger for it to boil and remove the bloody taste. And then I fry it after that. Guys, babies will show you things. Babies will test your patience like you've never seen. So after I came back from the shop to buy supper, Killian, with the shoes that he was walking outside, dusty as I told you the other path is, he just came and climbed onto the seats. So this is me. I had to wipe down the seats and mop the house again because I just can't stand it. Now after mopping the seats, after wiping down the seats, I just decided, since I've already wiped down the seats, let me just mop. Kwani after all, the house will be even cleaner. So this was me starting afresh, like I had not done anything, but at least I was not cleaning because I'd already done that. So I just had to wipe down the seats and mop, and then that was it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Finally, I was done, yo. Now I had to finish up with the cleaning, wash Killian. I also had a shower before retiring to bed because I was so exhausted on this day. But I was happy. My heart was happy. My house was clean, and that is all that mattered. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share the link with your friends, and I will really appreciate. That is all. See you again in the next video. Bye.